Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Masterclass. This is the channel for the new age management skills for the budding managers. So today I will be talking about delegation of work. Whether you are a newly appointed manager or the season 1, but I think you need to learn the art of delegation, which is very important. So friends, delegation means giving an assignment to someone else, but this doesn't mean that you're not responsible. You have to check in between till the work is over and delivered and provide clear feedback on what they did well and what they need to improve upon or focus. As most of us love to do work ourselves rather than delegation, but we have only fixed hours in hand. So we have to see which work we have to delegate and which work that we have to do so we can manage the work and meet the timeline. As we can't add more hours in our days, so improving delegation skills will certainly help us to make the most of hours that we have. And there is no shame in asking for help and assistance. And I know that delegating requires a lot of front end effort, as delegating offers advantages to you and your team and your company too, by improving productivity, reducing stress, enhancing the staff skills and the morale and the motivation. So the purpose of delegation is to transfer responsibilities for performing a task to your team member and still retain the authority and control and responsibility relating to that, which in turn have a positive effect on the person who will learn new things and become more confident to take up more work. So friends, it is important to delegate as to increase the motivation and the confidence of your team, and the team will also look you as a manager who has a faith in the team, and we are not keeping all the work with ourselves. It benefits the organization as it's giving work to the right people at the right level, maximize an organization resources, and improving the productivity as creating a workplace that encourages and support. Delegation can help to gain the cooperation from the team, but we need to remember that ultimately the responsibility is lies with the manager. So we have to keep a close watch on the progress of the delegated work with a defined timeline and ask the member to give a regular update on the same. It is very important that you rightly choose how much work to be delegated and to whom, depending upon the skills set which is available in the team. As you, I talked earlier that you have to be a regular check the progress to make sure that assignment is on the track. And if your work your own, there is a limited amount that you can do however hard you work. So it's better that you should start delegating some of your work to your team, so you can build a team of successful people. You have a backup for that, and people around will take you as a leader. As sometimes for us it is difficult to delegate due to our internal thought, like asking for help indicators lack of ability, or no one can be trusted to do the job properly, or maybe someone else will do a better job and takes our credit away. But as to be a successful manager, I think we need to learn the art of delegation so we can take bigger roles. Create a plan of action and time level for sharing the problem work with your team member to make sure that the solution is a reality, and have the member to agree to the plan once it is final. Then you should provide support whenever required to be alert to early sign of trouble. If the team needs you, then you should have to go there and remove the roadblock that there might be, so that you don't miss any deadlines, and when the assignment is over, take a time to reflect on what has worked and what didn't. So you can jot down those points and you can teach the team to be different next time. And it also be lead by example always, trust and empowering the team, which in turn should make it easier for them to delegate work to their direct reports. So let me recap the main points. One, learn to let go, as we should let go our own work that is managed by the team. Play to your team's strength. Always include instructions. Trust but keep your eye open. Give feedback and be remember that there is no such thing as a single-handed success. It all's about teamwork, which also help you to win the trust of the team, increase productivity and the moral of the team, which is the main thing. So friends, if you like my thoughts, give it a thumbs up to my channel, share it, subscribe it.